friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen okra in the air fryer. So we need a package of frozen okra, cooking it straight from frozen, no need to defrost. And we need a cooking spray so it doesn't stick to the air fryer. So let's take out the air fryer basket, and I'm going to spray it with a non-stick cooking spray. And as an alternative to spray, you can also brush your air fryer basket with vegetable oil or olive oil. And now I'll open a package of frozen okra and put it in the air fryer. So frozen okra in the air fryer. Now let's put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 15 minutes. Now halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and shake okra so it cooks evenly. And now let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this delicious, fully cooked okra, cooked straight from frozen. So nicely roasted, healthy and delicious. Now let me transfer it to a bowl. And now we need to season it. To season okra, I'm going to use salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and some extra virgin olive oil. So let's sprinkle it with seasonings. And you can use any seasonings you like, and oil is totally optional. So let me drizzle it with oil. And now I'm going to mix it so okra is evenly coated with oil and seasonings. It looks delicious. Now it's ready. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. Looks so good. Perfectly cooked, so tender. Look at that. So tender and roasted. Tastes amazing. You will love cooking frozen okra in the air fryer. So easy to make, healthy and delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.